That's where WCPO 9's Jay Shakur is there. We've gotten some reports of damage in that area.
Yeah, all right. So, Jay, you just got there. You've been walking around talking to people. What are you seeing?
Tanya, Adrian, definitely a lot of trees down here on Wilson Dunham Hill Road here in Pierce Township. It is a sight to see the trees down on homes in empty fields here. I'm standing in front of a home here owned by a young man. If you walk with me, you can see here down trees. On the home here, you see the tree completely covering the front of this home. Power lines down, so we're being careful not to run into those. I have seen crews from Pierce Township working to clear some of the main roads here for residents to get through and so that we could even get through here. If you walk further back into the backyard here, you see again the garage. The owner of this home tells me this garage is completely done for. It's done. You can see inside of there, installation is down. This big pine oak coming down. Now, talking to this resident, I want to talk to Roman. Roman lives here. He wasn't home at the time of the storm, but what's your initial reaction coming to your property and seeing the damage?
My initial reaction, I was coming home from work. I came around this turn here and just all the trees down and stuff. I was kind of just shocked. It was kind of crazy. I didn't think it was as bad as it was initially hearing it until I saw it and I realized it was pretty bad. And then I looked at all the damage and it was worse than I expected, but nothing that can't be fixed, so happy for that.
Yeah. You seem to have, I wouldn't say optimism about it, but this, hopeful feel and sense of just focusing now on the cleanup. That's where a lot of your friends and residents are turning to now. You see people out already, lawnmower and other tools ready to clean up right after. It was about 15, 20 minutes, you told me earlier, and now focus on the cleanup.
Yeah, so, like I said earlier, you can't undo the storm. It's coming through regardless, and you just got to be optimistic, because if you're not, just put you down. And you have people willing to help all over, and this can be fixed. People's lives can be brought back, and no one got hurt. And it's in the grand scheme of things, it's not a big deal. So it's all fixable, and there's no reason not to be optimistic, because it can be fixed, and you have people all around who can help. So
definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you, Roman. I appreciate it. That's the big thing I've seen since I've been out here. Beyond the trees down, some on roofs, hearing over on another street an entire roof. I'm going to go check that out. An entire roof on a home was taken off. I'm going to go check that out. That's what I heard from people here. But the big piece is that people have already began to start cleaning up and begin the recovery here. Again, Roman says his garage is probably done for, but again, looking forward to starting that cleanup process that could potentially, he told me, take weeks here after that quick but powerful storm went through here in Pierce Township. Back to you all.
Yeah, Pierce Township, that's where there is a confirmed tornado.